Hi, today video we learn how to design logo. First open Illustrator and File and New and create. Create a round shape. Select Shape and Effect and go to Distort and Transform and Zigzag. Select Shape, go to Edit and Copy. Again go to Edit and Paste. Resize it and change color. And select two objects and align. Again create a round shape. Change its stock. Select Shape, go to Edit and Copy. Again go to Edit and Paste. Change color of stock, resize it. Select all object and align. Click Text tool and write your text. Need logo or other design, please check description. Select text and go to Object and expand. Click Pen tool and draw something. Select two object, expand it. Change color. Need logo or other design, please check description. Drag and drop the text and up brush. Add some picture. Need logo or other design, please check description. Thanks for watching. Need logo or other design, please check description.